going on, guys? It's Mr. Nachi from Mr. Nachi Media. And in the last week or so, I've known that I was limited to the software that I was using. So I decided to up the ante. So I'm now going to be cutting in Adobe Premiere. So it takes a lot of learning, a lot of getting used to. I have to do a lot of tutorials and learn and relearn the things that I knew in a different program, different software. So I'm dedicating a lot of time into that. It's a difficult task because I'm literally starting from scratch, knowing where everything is. But I do feel in my heart that it's gonna allow me to bring out better content, better video. It's gonna allow me to better perform for you guys, so that your videos are gonna have more quality. So with that being said, I've been dedicating a lot of hours to the learning process. So it's gonna take some time before I'm gonna be able to comfortably put out a video with the new software. So I'm dedicating a lot of time to that. But in my searching of everything that I've been playing with, I did run into like an old video that I had done over a year ago. I want to say a year and a half ago. It's one of my first videos that I had done. It's a goofy video, a lot of silly effects that I was playing with. But it was an event that we did, North Philadelphia, Import DPS and Fiebre Caliente. They had a Dino Day / barbecue. So it was a large turnout. And for some reason, it never made it to YouTube. So I figured this week, I'm always trying to put out content on there. So why not put out some of my earlier work that I have on there. And I'm going to go ahead and submit that so that you guys can take a look at it. By no means, it's no filmmaking Rembrandt. It's not going to be a work of art. But it was a good time. A lot of cool people showed out and everybody had a good time. I believe they're trying to do this every year. So go to Import DPS online, get some information as to when the next one is for next year. So hope you guys enjoy, and I will be having more content out soon. Unfortunately, like I said, not unfortunately, just bettering myself, bettering my work so that I could, be a little happier with the content that I'm putting out and the footage. So it's a learning curve. But with that said, I think that coming time, the videos are gonna be substantially more in depth and just have that quality that I'm striving for. So I hope you guys enjoy. Enjoy the channel. As always, subscribe, share it, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Take care. Bye.
Siempre hay un motivo, a beber, siempre hay un motivo, Navidad, siempre hay un motivo, a beber, siempre hay un motivo, Navidad, que voy, que
Vamos a ver. Bueno, ¿qué dice él? ¿Qué dice él? ¿Qué dice Alex? Así que vamos otra vez. ¡Pachén!
Muchas felicidades a todos los DJ y locutores que celebran las navidades junto a sus familiares. Y a los directores, tanto Miguel y del Consureña, John Enrique, Marino Másquez, Robert, Rafael, Miguel de Soto, Tony Malata, Daniel Ortega, Twin Power, Cacón, Soprano 45,
Es mala, es mala, ganando con su señores, este mambo con clase, con su nuevo estilo. La cosa está muy mala, no hay nada que comer. Ya yo veo empañado, ya no puedo ver. Cuando yo no como bien, a mí me da un mareo. Me pongo loco, me desespero. Ay, cuando tengo mucha hambre para un platanero. Cinco plátanos, un mangú y cinco tres huevos. Eso es mi familia, lo que más prefiero. El bolsillo no me ayuda, yo no soy viajero. Tenía una jeva que le brindaba fried chicken. Ahora yo no consigo ni para comprarle un chicle. Tenía una jeva que le brindaba filo. Ahora yo la llevo a la fritura de mi primo. Hay muchos viajeritos que caigo en olla. Como yo también, de la Biblia. Yo le doy yuca, yo le doy batata, yo le doy pipio de esa loca. Yo le doy yuca, yo le doy batata, yo le doy pipio de esa loca. Yo le doy yuca, yo le doy batata, yo le doy pipio de esa loca. Yo le doy batata, yo le doy pipio de esa loca. Yo le doy yuca, yo le doy batata, yo le doy pipio de esa loca. Yo le doy yuca, yo le doy batata, yo le doy pipio de esa loca.
Well, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. That was very difficult for me to watch, but it's always important to see where I came from and what I was able to unravel as a video creator, as a filmographer, videographer. You got to see the work that you put out in the past so that you know where it is that you want to go. So I have learned a lot since then. My content has gotten better. And with that being said, I hope to one day go forward and look back to today or, my previous videos, my recent previous videos and say, man, what was I doing? Which would only mean that my work in the future, in that time, has gotten even better. So with that being said, that was difficult to watch, but yes, I have to go back and watch and look at a lot of my old work, critique it, and see where my flaws are. I definitely in that video felt susceptible to the whole doing less is more. I did way too much in those videos. I was at the time, I was new to iMovie, and I literally felt like I wanted to put every single effect, transition, and just put it all in there. Which, as I see today, it's like, wow, what was I doing? But it was a fun time. That's what the video's about. It was a video that never got the light of day. I'm not sure where it got lost. I could have sworn I had put it up on YouTube. It did not. So today, that's what I did. I put that up there for you. And though a lot of the work, I would say, is junk, I needed to put that out there. It was a good event. So I put that out there. I did critique and was able to look back at to what I was doing then, opposed to, in contrast to what I'm doing now. And I hope to be able to do that in the future and get that much better and put out much better video content in videos to come. So thank you so much for staying tuned, and I hope to see you guys soon. I am going to be putting some more footage out there. I have about 3 or 4 different events or days of video that I still haven't put together. I have some video footage of Mexidelphia and getting some runs and getting some data, along with a lot of Philly cars that were out there doing their things. So I have a lot of video footage of that. I also have a testing tune at ADCO where I was able to meet Matza Fame, help him out with some things out there, and that was really cool. I actually came out in his video, which was a pretty cool. Matza Fame is a substantial YouTuber. And then I also have that Black Friday, whether we dipped into the 11s or not. So I have a full day of video. That full video will be coming out after those other 2 videos that I just spoke about. So in coming weeks, I will be putting up some videos. The goal is to put at least 1 video a week up. Like I said, I am going to be taking some time away from the editing and even the video filming, because like I said, I am putting hours on end every single day to learn and taking these online courses in order to learn the Adobe Premiere, which is a new platform for me altogether. And it is tough, but with time, I will get there. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching the video. Share it, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and we'll be out soon. Thank you.